This is the first of its kind for DNAP. Natural Tourism Preserves does not really typically have indoor facilities for the public. We put most of our energies into maintaining exceptional trails, and the people come to see the resource itself. But this was an opportunity, especially here in the Little Miami River Valley and Clifton Gorge, iconic spot in the state, that we wanted to go a little more. We wanted to give everybody a little bit more to see, explain some of the things that they'll actually be able to see, and just give them that extra touch. So we've got a cultural history aspect, which starts with the glaciation of Ohio, how the glaciers came and impacted the site, Native Americans, early settlers. We talk about the mills and the impacts of industrialization, how that impacts the ecology, and then the restoration portion of that, where now it's a state nature preserve. So you can see that whole history, and you can actually see that then in the panels we've got talking about the ecology of the site, the fish that live in the river, the different types of aspects and things that really make this space a really cool preserve. One of my favorites in there's a display of a fish and a freshwater mussel. We got a little model that you can kind of hands-on and actually show that kind of relationship of how fish help the reproduction of mussels. If you were going to take a guided tour with a naturalist, you can kind of do that by coming in the center here and checking those things out. We're not trying to make this a destination where you come to the nature center and you don't go anywhere else. The whole goal is that you go on the trails and you experience nature. The exploration center here is a way of explaining the things you're going to see. So that's my wish for everybody, is that you come out to Clifton Gorge, you take a walk down through the gorge, and you need to come out and experience it through all those different seasons. But it truly is a magical place to come out and walk through.